Hi, this is a quick review of the StudBuddy. This helps you find studs and it doesn't have batteries. I have this as a second option. I have a regular stud finder, but I keep this as a backup just in case. It's quite simple. All it is just magnets in the back. And what you do with it is, the way I find studs with this is first I knock on a wall until I can kind of feel where the stud might be. So it sounds like the stud is around here. It doesn't sound as hollow when you knock around this part of the wall. And what I do is I just sort of run this up and down that area like this. There we go. And then eventually you'll find a stud screw or a drywall screw. And that's how you know where the studs are, because drywall is usually screwed right into the stud. And so if you could find the screw, then you found the stud. And so that's how that works. I hope you guys like this quick review, and I hope you enjoy this product. Thank you for watching.